Hey guys, just another update video. Back pain is better, but still there. I have sure had a lot of real life things happen lately. Including but not limited to things like the landlord saying, hey, we don't like the way your lawn looks. So spent so I spent a day with the homeboy Blake just tearing everything down, and then Luke and Blake the next day got it all cleaned up and removed. So, you know, that was fun. Got a formal notice on that, which basically, like, so in 30 days from the official issue of that, they can come by and check it out, and if they don't like it again, then it looks like we have 14 days to make it so that they like it. Otherwise, that's eviction. So hopefully they like the way that it looks now. It's nighttime, or I'd give you the tour, but also, oof, that so I've been emailing the landlord people, like not the actual landlord but the company they go through, and they like they've talked about it, but just getting the actual official notice was very draining. So yeah. That's that happened. I'm still gonna do Draw My Life Helios. This is just a minor setback on top of several other minor setbacks. But so far the month has not been kind to me. But I don't want to be all complainy. The light. So let's find something positive to talk about. 116 subscribers, that's pretty cool. Have I just like slowly been getting more and more like up? I think I have. Cool. Yeah. I don't know, just a quick soapbox thing is really what today's is. Cause I don't know. It's one of those, like, life comes at you fast. So do the one thing that one commercial said to do. I don't remember the exact commercial, but they said life comes at you fast. So we'll see how things go from here on out. Don't mind me look all shifty. It's really hard to stay looking at the camera and not my face. So yeah, we'll get better content out like tomorrow or something. Probably. I think so. I'd like to be optimistic. But today is just me kind of talking. And I've said what that's the main thing. Landlord got me down. So, alright. I'll see you in the next video. Might be from a fun new location.